Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to the beginning of your journey in the BBS first year English book or Bachelor of Business Studies program. Pattern of college writing. In this book, today we are going to learn writing process. As we embark on this academics adventures together, I want to talk about something fundamental to your success in this course and behind the writing process. Writing, importance of writing. Writing is crucial for effectively communicating thought, idea, and argument in various parts such as essay, report, and email. Dear students, writing is more than just putting word on paper. It's about communicating your thought, ideas, and argument effectively. Whether you are crafting an essay, a business report, or even an email, the skill you develop in writing will serve you well in every aspect of your professional and personal life. Writing process. Dear students, I am going to explain about writing process. Writing process is a series of structure. It means form, step that writer used to develop and refine. Refine means improve this work. Ensuring means make sure that the final writing effectively communicates the intended message. This process is often repeated rather than direct, with writer frequently revising earlier state to improve their work. Dear students, writing, pre-writing, brainstorming and gathering ideas, understanding the purpose and audience, researching relevant information. Dear students, the process began with invention. It's also known as pre-writing, which is an elementary phrase where the writer brainstorm means brain waves and gather ideas. This state involves identifying the purpose of writing, understanding the what? Audience, and gathering ideas. A writer may use techniques like brainstorming, free writing, or mind mappings to explore the different angles and topics. Dear students, researching related information is also a crucial means center idea part of this phase, as it provides the necessary background and support for the idea being developed. Now, drafting. Creating the initial draft, focusing on capturing idea without worrying about error. Following pre-writing is the drafting phase, where writers start to put their idea into sentences and phrases. Sentences and paragraph. This initial draft is often rough and may contain error. But the primary goals at this stage is to capture the essence of ideas and structure them into a clear narrative or argument. Writers focus on getting their thought down on paper without worrying too much about grammar, what? Grammar, spelling, what? Spelling, and as well as punctuation. The emphasis on the flow of ideas and development of the main point. Now, dear students, we are going to explain about the revision. Revision, reviewing and reworking content for clarity, logic, and effectiveness. That effectiveness, ensuring ideas are well organized and supported. Dear students, once the first draft is complete, the writer enters the revising stage. This phase involves the reviewing and reworking the contents to improve clarity, logic, and overall effectiveness. Writers look at the organization of their work, ensuring the ideas are logically ordered and that transition between the section and smooth. They may add the remove or rearrange contents to strengthen the argument or narratives. During revision, the writer also pay attention to the development of the idea, making sure each point is fully explained and supported. Now, editing, correcting grammatical error, punctuation and sentence structure to polish writing. Okay, dear student, after revising, the focus shift to editing, where the writer concentrate means the focus on the finer detail of their work. This stage involves correcting grammatical error, fixing punctuation and improving sentences structure. Editing is about polishing the language to make the writings more precise and readable. It is process that ensures the text is free of mistake and variation, enhancing the overall quality of the writing. Now, dear students, publishing. Now we are going to discuss about the publishing. Preparing the final version for sharings, formatting according to guidelines, and ensuring professional presentation. Now, dear students, the final stage is publishing, where the writer prepared the final version of work for sharing with the intended audience. This could involve the formatting the document according to the specific guidelines, adding any necessary citation or references, and ensuring that the work is presented professionally. Once published, whether it is submitting in assignments, posting online, or sharing in print, the writer reaches its audience, fulfilling its purpose. Throughout this stage, the writer process is interactive, meaning writer often revisit earlier stage based on feedbacks or new ideas. This flexibilities, it means the gives allows for continuous improvements and refinement, resulting in well-crafted and polished pieces of writing. The writing process is a valuable framework for writers of all levels, helping them to organize their thought, develop their ideas, and commitment effectively. Thank you, everyone.